So finally we installed Minecraft on this 10 years old PC. So let's open it. क्या हो गया भाई? So hello brothers and sisters, I'm very excited to try Minecraft on this 10 years old PC. Don't laugh, but you literally laugh at this system specification. So it has got Intel Celeron dual core processor, 8GB DDR3 RAM and 128GB SSD.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So in the last video, I installed Ubuntu on this PC. And if you have not watched that video, then go watch that video. What are you doing here? Just kidding guys, watch this video. You can watch that video later. So finally we made it guys. So we crossed 1000 subscribers on YouTube. So a big thanks to all my audience. Keep supporting.
2000 years later.
So yeah, I finally installed Minecraft on this computer. So basically, after doing lot of hard work and research, we finally found it on Ubuntu's App Store. So we have an application on Ubuntu's App Store that is called as a Minecraft Launcher. So this is it guys. So it asked me to log in using Microsoft account. So yeah, I logged into this Minecraft Launcher. The thing is, it is telling me to buy now. So first we'll see the performance of the game, and if this computer is giving good FPS and if this computer is handling this game properly, then we'll buy the game. But before buying the game, we have also got the option to play demo version. So first we'll play the demo version guys. So I'm very excited. 3, 2, 1. Preparing. Come on, Minecraft on 10 years old PC.
5 minutes later.
Something. Oh! If this computer runs Minecraft, then you know it's a very... Guys, seriously, Minecraft. This is running Minecraft, guys. Look at it. Seriously, play demo world. Okay. So now the video settings is set to auto. Wow. Wow. Seriously. Minecraft on this computer. Seriously. Okay. Cut. I'll change the mic, guys. So I cannot play while holding this mic. So I'll change the mic and I'll come to you again. Okay, I'm back with other mic, so let us play Minecraft. Okay. Whoa, seriously? Nice. Guys, it is literally smooth guys. See how smooth it is? Like it is quite playable. I'll play Minecraft on this computer for some time and then I'll talk to you about the performance. Seriously, it is so smooth. To be honest, I'm noob in Minecraft, so please don't expect any good gameplays. Oh, it's a honeybee! Oh shit, honeybee! Oh, I need to run. Shoot. We successfully installed Minecraft guys. I became very excited during the gameplay because I never imagined that this old computer will be running Minecraft. A big thumbs up to this computer and I really enjoyed the gameplay. It was very smooth. So we were getting around 30 FPS in 900p resolution, which is not bad I guess. So it produced 10 times more FPS than my expectation. So I was expecting 3 FPS but it was producing 30 FPS. However, the gameplay was not that smooth. We were able to notice some jitters and inconsistent frame rates, but still it was playable guys. And yeah, that was all about it guys. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and bye.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.